Hey, this is Steph from the Virtual Source, and today I want to show you how to add the Facebook page plugin to the sidebar of your WordPress website. And this is great for social proof. When people visit your website, they'll be able to see that their friends like your page, and they can even like your Facebook page directly from your Facebook sidebar. So the first thing you need to do is measure the sidebar area. So let's right-click and go down to Inspect Element. I'm using the Google Chrome browser, so it gives me this inspect area down here at the bottom, and other browsers have similar functions. All right, so I'm just going to hover over the sidebar area. Actually, I'm going to click on it, and you'll see on the right-hand side that the sidebar is highlighted. All right, so now what I'm going to do with that highlight, I'm going to scroll down on the right-hand side and look at the CSS, the style sheet information, and I see that the width is 360 pixels. Okay, so I'm going to keep that number in mind, 360, because that's what I'm going to use as my width measurement. Okay, so now I'm going to switch over to the Facebook page plugin tab that I already have open here, and this is the URL. This is actually some instructions on the developers page of Facebook. So there's the URL, and so you want to type that in, and then you get to this page plugin page, and you want to scroll down toward the middle, and this is where you're going to set it up. Okay, so the first thing you need is your Facebook page URL. And the way to get that, and I'm going to switch over to this other tab so you can see my page, is you go to your Facebook page and copy this last bit here at the end. That's the name of your page. So I'm going to right click on that and copy, and then go back to my page plugin. And then right here at the end where it says Facebook, I'm just going to paste to replace that last bit in the Facebook URL. Now remember, we determined the width of the sidebar, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in 360 there, and as soon as I click out of that field, then we see a preview of what I would be getting with the settings as they are so far. I think I'll go ahead and type in 360 as a height as well. You definitely want to leave this checked, adapt plugin to container width. So that means that if someone views your site on their phone or on their tablet, it's going to be responsive, which is very important. Okay, show friends' faces. I think this is really important. Again, we want that social proof that someone's friends have already liked your page. Use small header. I do want to hide the cover photo, but you may feel differently about that. I think I want mine to be fairly simple. And I don't necessarily need to show my page posts. So mine is going to be pretty simple. It's going to look like this when I paste it into my WordPress sidebar. Okay, so to do that, I need to click on Get Code. And there's a two-step process here. Now, if you're not comfortable doing what I'm about to do, then I would hand this off to your webmaster or someone who's more comfortable working in these settings. But I'm going to go ahead and copy this code here, the JavaScript code, and right-click and copy, and then go to my WordPress dashboard. I have a Genesis site, and so it makes it pretty easy to do it in Genesis. You just go to Theme Settings, where we are right now, and then scroll down here to the bottom, and there's a little place where you can paste in scripts or code. So I already have some scripts there. I'm just going to scroll down and create a space here and paste that in, and then scroll down and save the settings. All right, that's step one done. Let's go back to the page plugin. Step two, I want to click in here, right-click and copy again. Now I'm going to have to paste this code into the widget area of my website. So I'll click here. All right, this is going to end up in the sidebar. I need to go down to Appearance, Widgets. All right, now I want to paste this in the primary sidebar area, so I need to first go down to Text. Click on Text. I don't want it in my header area, I want it in the primary sidebar, and then I want to click to Add Widget. It opens up a blank text widget there, and so I just go ahead and paste in my code, save. I'm going to close, and then I want this to appear at the top of the list of items in my sidebar, so I'll click here next to top. And so now I'm going to switch over to my website page and refresh, and there's my widget, and it fits nicely within the sidebar. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.